Bless Squad, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy, Blessed Applesauce, here to bless y'all with another video here on Blessed to Invest. And today I'm here to talk about my experience meditating for 30 days straight. So let me explain to you why I started meditating. So I've always been like a skeptic of like meditation, affirmations. I thought it was kind of like a joke. It doesn't really work. It's not that serious, blah, 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 affirmations don't work, stuff like that. I was one of those guys that always thought like that. So a friend of mine, a fellow trader, was talking to me about affirmations because for me, I was struggling to trade larger in my size. So people that are active in the market, you may know, trading is like a mental game, really. It's a mental game of instead of taking 1,000 shares, make $1,000 a day, $100,000 a day, whatever. It's a mental game of learning how to control your emotions and trade the market. And for me, I was struggling being able to trade with larger size. I could trade with like smaller size, medium size, but when I was trying to scale up even more, I just was running into like mental blocks for some reason. I don't know why. It was just very strange that I was going through that. And my friend recommended, he was like, "Hey, why don't you meditate?" I was like, it don't really work. It don't work. And he was like, yeah, it worked for me. I was making like $100 a day, and then I started meditating and thinking about it. I started making $1,000 a day, and I was able to make more money based on just meditating and reflecting and doing affirmations. And I was like, hold up, okay. So you telling me it just worked like that? You just did some meditation, I'm a better trader. I make $1,000, blah, blah, blah. And it worked. He was like, yeah, you should try it out. So I gave it 30 days. This is my experience. I have a couple of things listed here, exactly what happened for me, exactly my experience of meditating for 30 days. But before we get into it, let me know down in the comment section below what your experience is with meditation. And of course, make sure you spam the like button on this video, of course. But for me, with meditation, I noticed over the past 30 days that I was able to think about my thoughts a little bit more. So as I'm driving, as I'm doing my day, going out throughout my day, I'm more conscious of my thoughts now. I don't want to say it's like outside of your body type situation, but when, let's say you get angry or you get nervous or you get extremely excited or whatever may happen, just emotion wise, you're able to step outside of that emotion and really reflect on it more instead of allowing the emotion to take advantage of you. I'll give you an example. I was out at UPS shipping something. The door closed right in my face as I was going to ship a package, and I knew it was late. I knew I was pushing the clock a little bit. I knew it, but I was hoping I could get there on time to send the package off, and I just missed it. And my first reaction was like really upset, really mad. I'm sitting there like hitting my car, stuff like that. Not like hitting it, but like like a type of emotion. And the first thing came to mind was like, hold on. Let's think about this emotion for a second. Let's take myself out of this. Let me think on something I can control. Let me relax. And I immediately started doing relaxation, breathing exercises, the same exercises I was doing when I meditate. And I was like, whoa, that highlighted to me. And this was probably around day, maybe like day 12. It was like midpoint. And I was like, wow, okay, maybe we're starting to see something here. We're starting to see some results, something that's coming out of this for the meditation. So that was the first thing I noticed for me. The second thing I noticed was I was having like really weird dreams, like really strange dreams. I was dreaming about people, things. I was dreaming about the goals I had, and they were like very vivid. I don't know if anybody else had that experience before with meditation, like after doing it for a while, but I don't dream. I dream, of course, but I don't remember a lot of my dreams. So the fact over this period I was able to remember a lot of the dreams because for me I was doing affirmations for my trading, affirmations for the goals I was trying to set and things I'm trying to do in my life. And the fact that I was dreaming about it and waking up the next day and remembering those dreams was pretty interesting to me. So I believe it was hitting like the subconscious mind in some way, the fact that I was thinking about it and dreaming about it at night. The third thing for me, this is not easy at all. At the beginning, I was like excited to see what would happen, but the hard thing for me these 30 days was really putting myself in a space to meditate, allowing myself the time to meditate. The first week, I was like very consistent in the morning. As soon as I got up, I was ready to meditate. Second week, I'm sitting there and like, I don't feel like really meditating. I do it like later on in the day. But I did do it the 30 days consistently. I made sure every day I did meditate. But the one thing for me was getting in the space of meditating. And I think that's just the fact that I need to do it a little bit more and just build it more into my routine. And that is something I definitely plan on doing. Maybe I'll do like an update video of how I've built it into my routine. But for y'all that are just starting, I recommend definitely doing it. Like try to get into like a habit or a routine of doing it during maybe like downtime of the day, and just really sticking to it. Just put your mind to it that you're just gonna do it, and have the discipline to do that, because it's really hard to get like lazy and be like, I do it another time, another day or something like that, or I'm tired or something like that. But that was one of the hard challenges for me. But I made sure I got through it. I grinded through it, and I was able to get it done for the next 30 days. Okay, and the last thing I noticed for me, my work becomes a little bit easier. So I'm a trader, and it seems like it's a little bit easier to put on more size. I'm not breathing as hard. I know a lot of times when I'm trading, I'm sitting there, maybe not sweating, but I'm like nervous on the position a little bit, maybe nervous, a little bit uncomfortable. And these are feelings I feel while I'm trading. And now that I've been meditating, I'm a little bit more relaxed. I'm not so stressed about the position anymore. I'm still using the same size, even gradually pushing it up, but I'm more relaxed about my positions. I'm more confident in my positions. I've been doing this for a while, so I know what I'm trading. I know what I'm looking for. I know what I'm doing. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And that's how I feel about it now. It's not perfect. Mentally, I'm not perfectly there, but I'm working toward it. And that's what meditation has done for me over for the last 30 days. So let me know in the comment section down below your experiences with meditation. For me, it's been pretty good. I plan to continue it. I don't think affirmations are just garbage. I think they actually do work. Because I have been seeing some slow results from it. But I do want to continue to experiment, see what it can do over the next up and coming months, years down the line, because I really think I'm going to get more of an impact. I feel like it's one of those things where you go to the gym, you do the workout, you're in there every month, consistently, then you start to see results. I don't think it's one of those things that you're going to get results ASAP. You don't get some of these for just 2 weeks of work. You got to actually put in the work and do it consistently. And that's what it is. It's just a mental exercise. And I'm starting to pick up on that. That is more of like a breathing mental exercise to allow yourself to focus and relax. So that's my experience over the last 30 days with meditation. It works really well, and I'm more relaxed, and I feel a lot more grateful and excited for what's going to come in the future. If y'all want me to do a follow-up to this, what happens over the next year or something like that, let me know down in the comment section below. Also, spam the like button, also sub down below for more content like this. And that's going to wrap it up. It's been your boy, Blessed Applesauce. Stay blessed. And I'm going to see y'all next time on Blessed to Invest.
Just to see tomorrow is a blessing. Stay prayed up is the message. Everything about a nigga blessed. Everything about a nigga blessed.